Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Measurement for this style of gele is 55-45 and the length of this gele is length 60. So you are going to make 6 to 7 pleats and place in front of the head. The shorter part is the one that is going to go at the back and come forward to form the V. Just watch carefully. When you place on the head, you arrange the pleats properly. Then you go to the back and cross. Before you cross, you open it like this. Then you cross it. When crossing, make sure the shorter hand goes on top while the longer hand comes under. When you're done crossing, before you bring it forward, you take that stuff that you raised up down. After that, you bring the shorter hand forward and proceed to complete your pleats. When you're done with your pleats and forming the V, you take the topmost one, bring it forward and pin, just as seen. That is it. Then you go ahead to start making pleats on this other flap. When you're making your pleats, ensure that it is on top of each other. And it's of the same size. You continue to make pleats until you've exhausted the fabric. When you're done making your pleats, then you go to the back and draw. Just check at the mirror side where I'm drawing. Draw it and ensure that it's secure. When you've drawn it, there is no how it's going to fall. It's going to stand. This is for the person that asked me in one of the video. There's no way it's going to fall. It's like this is going to stay. So after securing it at the back, you then begin to start loosening it, like expanding it so that it will be bigger, as you can see. Now we want to start making our ruffles, so watch carefully. Before you make your ruffles, you take 3 pleats and pin, then you continue with your ruffles. This is so that it's going to be stable for the ruffles to stay. To make the ruffles, you squeeze, squeeze, squeeze and pin. Our gele is almost done. So after this, you do finishing touches and go to the back to cover. When covering the back, you can do it any design of your choice. You can make it like this, as you can see through the mirror, or you just cover it plainly. Please note how you're going to know that it's a length 60 gele is from the tip of your hand to the middle of your chest. That's when you're placing it horizontally, from the tip of your finger to the middle of your chest. That's in between, that space in between your breasts. Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. That's it guys, I'll see you in my next one. You can rock this to anywhere, to any occasion. Very beautiful and classy gele. Thank you so much guys. Bye.